Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change your country in Amazon Prime Video. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to change your country in Amazon Prime Video, you cannot do it directly from the Amazon Prime application. In order to do this process, you just simply have to open any of your browser, and after opening the browser, just simply search for Amazon and open the site of amazon.com. And after opening amazon.com with the same account that you are using in Amazon Prime, just simply tap into your profile option, and from there scroll down to all the way bottom and go to the setting page. Now you will see your current country into here. As you can see, mine is set into United States. Just simply select that, and after that you will get the option to select country from here. Just simply tap into this option and then you can select all these mentioned countries into here. For example, I'm selecting this Japan option into here. Then after doing this, just simply save the process and then your country will be changed. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your country into Amazon Prime. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.